Make VS Code faster with 5 tiny habits that save big time. First, use the command palette. Press Control or Command plus Shift plus P2 and run any command instantly. No menu hunting needed. Second, split your editor with Control or Command plus / to view 2 files side by side. Perfect for comparing code or writing tests. Third, multi-cursor magic. Hold Alt or Option and click anywhere to edit repeated lines all at once. It feels like coding superpowers. Fourth, open files lightning fast. Press Control or Command plus PTMAO, type a few letters, and jump right to your file. Fifth, snippets and live templates. Type a short trigger, press Tab, and boom, your boilerplate expands automatically. Bonus tip: install one good linter or formatter, then enable Format on Save to stay clean and consistent. These small moves shave minutes off every session. Try them now and master one new shortcut every day for instant productivity gains.